Could you live on just $25 a week? It sounds impossible, but I'm here to tell you how I did it. In this video, I'll share the extreme frugality hacks I used to stretch every penny, survive tough times, and even thrive on a budget that small. Stick around to the end. I'll reveal the one hack that saved me the most money and completely changed how I view spending. The challenge of extreme frugality. Life doesn't always go as planned. When unexpected expenses drained my savings, I found myself with only $25 a week to cover all my essentials. It wasn't easy, but it taught me invaluable lessons about resourcefulness, creativity, and the power of frugality. This video isn't just about surviving on $25 a week, it's about discovering how to maximize your resources, waste less, and find new ways to live well for less. 1. Meal planning on a tight budget. Food is one of the biggest expenses, but with careful planning, I made $25 stretch to cover all my meals. Hacks I used: base meals around staples. I bought versatile, low-cost items like rice, beans, oats, and eggs. These staples became the foundation of my meals. Shop discount stores. I found incredible deals at discount grocery stores and shopped their clearance sections for markdown produce and bread. Batch cooking. I cooked large portions and repurposed them into different meals. For example, a pot of beans became chili one day and bean tacos the next. Key takeaway: by focusing on nutritious, affordable ingredients, I ate well without breaking the bank. 2. DIY everything to save money. When every dollar counts, doing things yourself can save you a lot. What I did: homemade cleaning products. I made all-purpose cleaner using vinegar, baking soda, and water. It worked just as well as store-bought products and cost pennies. Repair over replace. I patched clothes, fixed broken items, and even repurposed old jars for storage instead of buying new ones. Haircuts at home. I learned to cut my own hair by watching online tutorials, saving $20 per haircut. Key takeaway: DIY isn't just about saving money, it's empowering to learn new skills and get creative with what you have. 3. Embrace free entertainment. Just because I was on a tight budget didn't mean I couldn't have fun. What I did: visit the library, free books, movies, and even workshops became my go-to for entertainment. Explore nature. Hiking, picnicking, and walking in the park provided hours of enjoyment at no cost. Community events. I attended free events like concerts, art shows, and farmers markets to stay engaged and entertained. Key takeaway: happiness doesn't have to come with a price tag. Free activities can be just as fulfilling. 4. Mastering the art of negotiation. I learned that asking for discounts or negotiating prices could lead to unexpected savings. Examples: utility bills. I called my utility providers and negotiated lower rates, saving about $15 a month. Local markets. I asked for discounts on bulk purchases or items nearing their expiration dates. Online purchases. I searched for coupon codes and cashback offers to get the best deals. Key takeaway: the worst someone can say is no, but when they say yes, the savings are worth it. 5. Maximize community resources. I leaned on local resources to supplement my budget and make life easier. What helped me? Food banks. I occasionally visited food banks to get fresh produce and pantry staples for free. Buy nothing groups. I joined local groups where people gave away items they no longer needed. Clothing swaps. I refreshed my wardrobe by participating in community clothing exchanges. Key takeaway: community support is a powerful tool. Don't hesitate to use it when times are tough. 6. Practice extreme energy savings. Cutting utility bills was another way I stretched my $25 weekly budget. Hacks I used: unplug everything. I unplugged appliances when not in use to avoid phantom energy costs. Cold showers. I took shorter, cooler showers to save on water heating. LED bulbs. I replaced old light bulbs with energy-efficient LEDs, which use significantly less power. Key takeaway: small changes in how you use energy can lead to big savings over time. 7. The 30-day spending freeze. One of the most impactful decisions I made was committing to a no-spend month. What it taught me: I discovered how much I could do without. It forced me to get creative with what I already had, from pantry ingredients to household items. At the end of the month, I saved an extra $50 just by not spending impulsively. Key takeaway: sometimes, hitting pause on spending is the best way to reset your financial habits. 8. Bartering for goods and services. I found creative ways to trade skills instead of spending money. Examples: I babysat for a neighbor in exchange for homemade meals. I traded graphic design work for car repairs. I volunteered at a local garden and was rewarded with free vegetables. Key takeaway: bartering builds community connections while helping you save. 9. Use cash only for spending. Switching to a cash-only system helped me stick to my $25 budget. Why it works: physically handling cash made me more mindful of every dollar spent. Once the cash was gone, I couldn't overspend. Key takeaway: cash forces discipline and helps you avoid the temptation of credit cards. 10. Mindset shifts that made it possible. Surviving on $25 a week wasn't just about the hacks. It was about changing how I thought about money. Mindset changes. Gratitude. I learned to appreciate what I had instead of focusing on what I lacked. Resourcefulness. I stopped seeing challenges as obstacles and started seeing them as opportunities to grow. Long-term vision. I reminded myself that this was temporary, and each step brought me closer to financial freedom. Key takeaway: frugality is as much about mindset as it is about money-saving strategies. Conclusion: thriving on less. Living on $25 a week wasn't easy, but it taught me lessons I'll carry for life. I discovered that with creativity, resourcefulness, and the right mindset, it's possible to thrive, even on a tight budget. Which of these hacks resonates with you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need a little inspiration. Together, we can embrace the power of frugal living.